Hi.
Hello, this is your Dr. Lakshmi Kant. We are going through this pandemic times. It's very important. We need to take care of ourselves at our homes. So, most importantly, what we need to do is to improve our immunity. To improve our immunity, most important is our emotion should be under normal level. We should not be under stress. We should have very good sleep, and we need to take good amount of diet. And what we can do in our house to prevent ourselves from this getting this flu like symptoms, what happens in the COVID symptoms. Most important is, see, we need to keep our throat clean, so that way we need to take hot liquids at regular intervals, and we need to use mouth washes regularly to keep our mouth clean. And when we are going to sleep, it's important to brush your teeth and use a mouth freshener and then go to sleep. Next, whenever you're taking hot liquid, there are lot of normal natural things which are available in your house, along with milk, turmeric, garlic, ginger. These are all supposed to be immunomodulators. You can also take it along with your diet. The next thing is, see, whenever you have slight throat irritation or anything, all this can be rectified by taking hot liquids and trying to be comfortable at your home levels. The most important is, there is a thing like a pulse oximeter which is easily available, which is very cost effective. Every one of us should be having this in our house, and every one of us should check this pulse oximeter in our houses, basically because the most early symptoms what happens is hypoxia. Majority of them, they won't even know that they're having hypoxia. Normal saturation is between 95 to 100. 100 is normal, it is till 95 it's acceptable. Whenever our saturation levels are coming below 95, you definitely requires doctor attention or physician. You need to go and get some help. Why this is happening is because this is basically COVID is a lung virus. First and foremost, it attacks the lungs. So to protect our lungs and to see that this virus doesn't enter our lung, we need to take care of cleanliness of our oral cavity and nasal cavity. Various methodologies like nasal washes and throat washes are a must. What are easily available in your house have to be taken. You need to use them properly. So, like milk and turmeric and all these things, you can also take hot liquids at very frequent intervals. And it's always good and very good to avoid cold water during these pandemic times. And when these symptoms are getting out of control, when you require real oxygenation, when your saturation goes below 93, you require hospitalization, and sometimes even oxygen cylinders are being arranged for home delivery. Lot of hospitals are giving home consultation, home visits, so that you can comfortably manage yourself in the house as long as your saturations are not going below 95 or 90. You need not get worried even if you have a sore throat or fever, but you need to be under follow-up of a physician. The most important thing is the fear. See, you can, without fear, you can withstand any amount of problems, you can overcome them. Most important is, out of 100% of the people who get the disease, only 15% exhibit it. Almost 85% are asymptomatic. Out of the 15%, 5% require care in the hospital. Out of the 5%, 1.5 to 3% become very critical ill and develop complications. So you need to be careful whenever you're having comorbidities like diabetes and hypertension, heart problem, renal problem. You need to be more careful. Keep yourself healthy, stay isolated. Not only when we say isolation, not only outside, even in crowded families, this virus spreads rampantly when you're overcrowded. So you need to have very good ventilation and keep your windows open. Let the free flow of air occurs in your house. These are the simple things which you can do, and we can overcome this disease by following this guideline what I have told you. And it is very, very natural. Only about 1.5 to 3% of the people develop complications. So be assured that you belong to the other 95% category, and all of us can cross this difficult times very comfortably and happily. Thank you.